Nakita nyo yan guys, dyan oh, talagang, yan oh, sa hangin lang yan. Ow, that's splash. Lumakas yung ulan guys, I'm telling you. Oh my gosh, tropical storm. We're going home, gosh, careful lang sa mga nagda-drive. Hi guys, good morning. Monday today here in Bryan, Texas, and we have tropical storm. Aga ako nagising because Belle has appointment today and he left already. This is what I did yesterday. Look, I'm painting. Well, actually, Belle is doing the paint initially for this cabinet door. But then, I did it last night on the other side of the cabinet door, guys. Ako nagpaint niyan. See? I told you guys. I can paint myself. Okay, you know, like, that's an easy work to do. Yun siya, oh. So, we are using this paint, maliit na can, pero magkano ba yung bili niya nito? $30 ata to guys. Mahal ng pintal nila diri ba? Mahal kilang pintal diri giatot. So this one is in the shade, anong color ba to? Ultra white. Ayan Ultra white infinity, Sherwin-Williams. Same nung ginamit namin na paint sa wall. But this one, it's silver leaf color. Yung sa ating cabinet door will be ultra white. Ayan, di ba maganda na guys? I-flip ko yan mamaya kasi isasand ko. Actually, I can flip it now. Isasand ko to para we have to color the other side. Hala, ano na klaro? Ang buslot din. We have to paint the other side too. Pero kailangan ko pag-isand kasi namali si Bill paglagay ng color sa kabila. It was a different white. Bumili kasi siya noon. Sabi niya, this is like 10% cheaper than this one, pero nung nakita niya patay, hindi mag-match sa color ng cabinet doon. Yan nga mahangin talaga siya sa labas. Actually, hindi pa siya nag-land. Labas tayo konti. Ayan ganyan po siya. Oh my gosh. Hangin. Tapos umuulan pa. Hindi pa nag-land daw yung tropical storm. Namin maririnig kasi sa loob. But then like, ayan, yung ating nalinis ka na yan. Meron kasing nag-comment, nalinisan mo naman yung bintana. Linis na yan, sir. Ayan, sumasay. Anyway, guys, eto naman, tatanggalin natin to. Tatanggalin na naman to ni Bill kasi same sa ginawa namin. Isa sand, and then color, primer, and then color. Brown kasi siya, diba? Sobrang earthy color or old color. Gusto ko talaga yung lang ba, light colors, neutral, yung mga ganun na color. Kaya, nag-change kami ng color ng aming cabinet. But now, it looks really good. How much more if, like, everything is finished, diba? It will look so much better. And then, yung floor natin here, we will also, like, change that. Yung floor namin, we both decided na yung floor namin sa living area and then floor dito, it will be the same. Nanay natumba na basurahan diyan to. Tingnan nyo yan guys, may mga nahuhulog na branches on the, tingnan nyo yan, nakita nyo yan guys, dyan talagang yan sa hangin lang yan, putol yan, nagtumbahan na yung basurahan. Malakas talaga yung hangin, hindi lang namin maririnig sa loob kasi yung house ba kasi isolated, ano ba tawag nito? Grabe, tanggal. Still windy. Still very windy right now. Yung ulan pa, wala na. Like, tingnan nyo, parang lalabas yung araw, pero mahangin pa rin siya, guys. Pero sabi ni Belle, hindi pala dito yung sintro talaga. Like, sa Texas pa rin, pero hindi dito. We are heading to his BJJ. BJJ?
What did you say?
We're heading to his BJJ.
BJJ.
It's raining because of the tropical storm in Texas. What time is it? 10:33 in the morning. Wala, first time kong lumabas na ganito guys. It's not landed yet, right? It's just coming pa.
Yeah, it's
Gosh.
It's probably over the Woodlands or Conroe right now.
Right. Gosh. Ang lamig po sa labas. lakas ng ulan. Meron kaming payong dala. Yeah, I'm going there because I wanna meet his friend na nagbigay ng flower nung wedding. Oh. It was not bad right now actually. Well, I don't know.
This is probably about as bad as it's going to get. It's passing further away than we...
It's not really here on this place.
No. It's probably 50 miles east of us.
Yeah, I can prepare myself in 2 minutes. Are you proud?
I'm amazed.
Hindi ko nga naalala. Like, may sinabi sa kaninang morning before he went to his appointment, doctor appointment today. Pero hindi ko siya I haven't, you know, like, I don't know, I listened but I didn't really like. Hindi ko alam, hindi ko ma-remember. So sabi niya pala, BJJ din siya today. And then I remember I said na I have to go with him next time na he will go to BJJ. Because I wanted to thank those people who gave us flower on our wedding.
Yeah, and it's blown us into the road.
I know, I can see. It looks scary, no? But I think it's normal. You're driving fast.
Not really driving fast. It just looks that way on the screen.
I look like, ganito lang ako guys. Nag-ano pa ako kanina. Nagsasand ako ng aming cabinet. And then now, diba wala lang. Wala lang to. It's just me. Just me. Guys, ganyan siya kahangin. Nawaw mali kami. Kasi nag-text pala yung niya na walang pasok today. Like, magko-coffee tayo. Very nice. Ayun. Ang pretty ng painting na yan. Super nice, oh. Yeah, we are here at Sweet Eugene's House of Java. Nag-coffee na lang kami guys kasi yung concealed yung kanyang jujitsu. We're heading home. Ulan. After we had coffee and Sweet Eugene. What's funny about today's trip? How do you go? Your teacher messaged you? How do you go that one? The owner?
Yeah, professor.
The professor had messaged you but he didn't look at the phone. He's been busy kasi. And then we just found out when we got here na. When we got there, like concealed pala yung today.
It didn't look like anyone was there, and then when I looked at my phone, we had seen messages.
Yeah, it's closed.
While I was physical
That's
therapy.
why nagpunta kami sa coffee shop para naman maging worth it yung aming trip.
This is where I lived when I first moved home.
Where? What's the name of that?
Vineyard Court.
Ah, Vineyard Court.
It's extended stay hotel.
Ow! That's splash. Lumakas yung ulan guys. I'm telling you. Oh my gosh. Tropical storm. Parang nasa-shock pa ako, no? In the Philippines, we had the same thing like this too. Like, wow. Meron naman kaming ganito sa Pinas, guys. We had the same. Like, we also have big storm in the Philippines. See? Tingnan niyo. Babe, we're going home because, gosh, tatakbo na naman tayo papuntang, ang lakas na, oh. Visibility, okay pa rin, pero malakas yung ulan talaga, guys. Careful lang sa mga nagda-drive. Whoever driving, careful. Yan, lakas ng hangin sa... Oh gosh, that's very scary, oh. Malakas na yung hangin. Kita nyo yung parang yung tubig ba na inaano ng hangin. Malakas talaga yung hangin, guys. Not kidding. Meron kaming puno dito. Pero pinutulan na daw yan ng branch. I'm gonna paint this, babe. Where did you get? Magpintal na ta. While we are stuck inside, let's do the painting people. Exercise ba kayo? Parang atumbok itong pag-baksidor na. If you guys are looking for person to paint your wall, hire me. Hire me! Ano ni Ben? Hire me on the spot. Ang reaction mo siya, gano'n siya. Suko yan, girl. Suko yan. Hire me. Why? You're not satisfied with my work here? Nag-sand na ko. Gabi last night, I did it and he was like watching over me. Naiinis ako pag tinitingnan ako. Hindi ako makonsentrate. Kakain ako ng pinya. Ito yung binili namin sa HEB nung nakaraan. Kailan ba kami Hala? Anong nanga-delete man akong video? Pala ako nag-vlog nung nagpunta kaming HEB. Dami namin binili grocery after sa church, guys. Hindi nagpabili ako na itong pineapple kasi gusto ko yung pineapple talaga. As in, like, nako, sarap ng pinya. Then salt. That's why we bought this one-piece pineapple. That's because the pineapple in a small plastic ba na na-chop na, it's expensive or $6 niya. Kunti lang. This one, malaki siya. Marami kang makakain. And then this one, we got this one for like almost $4. And then, yung kinuha pala namin is like parang may pagka-green pa ba? Kasi nung like 3 times na ata. Yung binili ni Bill kasi palaging hinog. Tapos sobrang humok. Gusto ko yung like napay pagka hilaw-hilaw. Gawin masarap talaga siya pag asin. Here's the magic. You want to see the magic? Magpaibo. Kailangan force. I need force. Tama ba to? Center? Yun. And then, i-daughter mo siya maayos. Ayan. O, diba? Kailangan mo lang idiin. Aw. Yan lang siya ka-easy. Pero sayang kasi may marami pang hindi na sasali ba? Pero ako lang po ang room. Ay! Hala, nabalik. Uy, ito na. Napindot na. Oh. There you go. Babe, the pineapple, it's really good. Better than the pineapple we got before. Perfect siya, perfect. Agay, naglaway na ko. O, diba, dili naman ka ang cravings, kundi pinya. Mag-i-edit ako ng video today para meron na naman tayong bagong vlog. Halaga, may na lang asin. Babe, wala na tayo asin, oh. Last salt, babe. Last salt. Craving natin, girl. Bala kayo dyan, basta kakain ako. Ito na yung pa-dinner natin para makalibang po tayo. Wala na yung flower namin sa table, guys. Yung sa basket. Nilagay ko na siya sa flower vase. And then, ikikip ko yung basket na to. Try ko itong ito. Ikip ko yung basket. Bili ako ng yung foam na pang lagay ng flower kasi baka magbibigay tayo ng pa-flower. Kasi birthday ng mama ni Bill. Pagka September. Plano ko, gagamitin ko yan. Tapos lagyan lang namin ng flower ba. Bago. Tapos dadalhin namin doon. Yan yung plan ko. Ewan ko lang. Baka mag-iba. Let's say, konti na lang yung books na natira, guys. As you can see, yan na lang yung books. Well, actually, meron pa pala sa printer and then meron pa sa room. But, it's better. Kasi ang dami talagang libro na itong isa. Yan na lang. Meron kami dito sa printer. Meron na kami sa room. Kain tayo, guys. Suot na ko yung robe. Kaya akong robe. Gilabhan. Ang lamig, ah. At least kalma na sa labas. Sinabi ko sa kanya, bakit parang ang ingay ng roof natin? Meron kaming kahoy dito. And then kaninang morning, normally siya. Marag buto-buto ang roof ba? Yash! Nicole! You want to try pineapple? Super sweet.
Ma. Ay, ko, wala.
Oh, by the way, tita wants to call. Nag-miss call ata si tita.
Wala asin. Matog may yung kuman.
No, tita nga naman ito. Hi. Uy, cloudy. Makitag na.
Wow. Pagdala og ka ng crowd. Oh.
Pagdala
So, pineapple.
Nag-start na pag-abot na.
Nami pang ano, pinya mo nang sayo na kayo. Palit na, palit mi go nga pinya. Nami ka ng pang cutter ba? Ay, anong tawag yan? Pang kurma.
Cutter.
Wala ni glukit sa mata.
Twist.
Oh.
Feels like home. Kayo, ang diri man ang pajamas.
May ligo.
Ligo, may gahapon.
Ay, ligo.
Are you super slang now? Yes. Are you super slang? How many friends? How many friends do you have at church?
Si ate may mabutan na.
Nicole, do you have a crush?
Wala.
Joke.
Open. What are you guys doing?
Drawing.
Wala pa man mo naman, anak. Oh. You have to finish folding the clothes. Apay upcoming na pilonon.
Orm ka ayos.
Oh,
Pairis
next
ako
naman. Sana all man si Ashley, oh. Yun, copy niya, guys, oh.
Di man.
And then ito yung drawing ni Ashley, oh. Huwag man ay naong. O, lagi mata ni.
Di ko kabalo.
Asa bang mata na punta?
Wala. Di ko kabalo.
Si Nicole daw nag-drawing nito, guys, oh.
Oo, sabot siyang kamot yun.
Kag-drawing niya, kasabot siyang kamot. Anyway, guys, kalma na sa labas, oh. Di na siya masyadong mahangin. Very good. And then, what time is it? I think, ano na ngayon? 4 p.m. So, kalma na siya. Very, very better. Then, mainit na sa labas. Mainit na ba sa labas? Cloudy pa rin, pero parang warm na ba? Very good. Very good. Very good. Pero wala na talaga. Di na siya mahangin masyado. Nakaligo na ako, people. 7:31. Very sunny na outside. O, diba? Ang bilis lang kumalma ng weather. Look. Sobrang init, diba? Daytime pa rin kahit 7:31 p.m. Mag-hot pocket daw sila. Titingnan natin kung meron pa tayong hot pocket dito. Sabi ni Belle, meron pa daw. Meron pa daw. Asan kaya niya nilagay ang hot pocket? Ito. Ay, meron nga akong lasagna. Upa na lang eh. Lasagna tomorrow. Kasi hindi ako gutom. Very full. Honestly, ang dami ko pang kinain today. Like earlier. So, meron tayong ham and cheddar. Hot pocket. Di pa ito nabuksan. I think on the box, there are 5 pieces. So, magluluto na lang. Magluluto. Babe, you want hot pocket, babe? How many? Water? You want water? Hot pocket you don't want? Kumain na kasi yan kanina eh. Once a day lang yan kumakain, guys. Tapos yung iba snacks lang yan sa kanya. Hot pocket for you. And for you, how much is? Ganito siya, guys, oh. May lagayan siya. Like, pwede mo siyang hawakan. Para siyang hopia. Dalawa lang kasi sila lang yung kakain. I-reheat lang natin siya sa microwave. Kasi ano na to eh, parang luto na siya. Like, kailangan mo lang i-reheat. Microwave. Crisp leave and place on a paper. Nag-paint pala ako kanina under. So, kaya meron tayong paper dito. 4 minutes daw, sabi niya. 4 minutes for 2. I include the paper? The wrapper ba? Is it included? When I cooked it, it's okay? Ay? Like this ba? The paper. Oh, yeah. You can use that there. Have Alam nyo guys, yan, papalitan talaga yan namin yan ng ilaw. Yung ilaw lang namin, source of light here in the kitchen, yan lang. At saka yan sa pagluto. Pero, we actually, lalagay kami ng light dito under. Yan yung pinag-uusapan namin, Debil. Yan, lalagyan namin yan ng light dito rin. Yan. But, plan pa yan guys, ha? So, one step at a time nga. Yan, plan pa lang namin. At saka yan, magiging white yan. Soon. So, ba na lagi natin ni? Slowly but surely. Nicole, diri na mo kaon. Daddy has a trick. What's a trick?
Well,
Cool down? Hoy, mahulog! Sama na eh. Init pa kayo? Init pa biya ng sulod, anak ha? Careful, it's hot. Gagawa ako ng cook flow. Napakita ko sa inyo kung paano namin ginagawa yung aming cook flow. Own version. Own version. Si Bill yung nag-introduce nito. If meron pa ako. Meron pa ata. Hindi ko alam. Baka meron. Meron ako dito. Cook and vanilla ice cream. So, gagawa tayo ng ating cook float without putting ice, guys. Yes. You have another ice cream here. Cookies and cream na ice cream ni Daddy. Wala na may cook float. Gamay na kayong cook, oh. Para lagi din ako. Char. But I can give you. I'll share with you guys. Or, I can make one. Gamayan lang ako cook. Daka na ako ice cream. See? Our own version. Bula-bula din. Sige, gamaan na to sila guys. Wala naman tayo baso. Nahulot naman na itong baso. Sa mga baso, hindi pang kit-kit. Sa mga baso na ngawa man. Mga una naman coke. So, ice cream, vanilla lang, tsaka coke. That's it. It's so yummy. I'm telling you. Belle is so right. Na, she was like, I'm gonna teach you how to make your own coke float without ice. This is how you do it. This is how it tastes. And he is really right. So good. Yan. Sayang. Sarap. Ice cream. Hill Country. Fair. 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 Yung coke namin. Ito pa yung coke nung fireworks. Nanonood kami ng fireworks. July 4th. Di ko kasi ininom. Di namin ininom. Kanina, ininom nila ni Nicole yung isang bottle. Puti, may natira. Okay. Yan lang. Ganyan lang yung coke float. O, diba? Gawa tayo ng ating sariling dessert. Samot dito katambok ani. Na. Ganyan na ng diet. Ana, share mo ni Ashley. Surely, Ashley, gumaki. Hindi naman ito maganda sa bata, guys. So, okay lang. Isa healthy for you guys.
Ang cookies and cream.
You can have cookies and cream.
Baso.
Na, diri, oh. Cookies and cream, oh, cook float.
Cookies and cream.
Ayun, ako mag-cook float ka.
Ano?
Ang pa isa. Naging ni yun. Wala nang sexy body ni Jenny. Expire na siya, guys. Yung sexy body ko, like, 3 years ago, 2 years ago, 3 years ago, 4 years ago, 3 years ago. Wala na yun. Expired na yun, guys.
Huh? Ito na diet.
Wala na yung diet. Hi, guys. We just got home from BJJ. Nagpunta kami sa kanyang BJJ today. Where he trained Jiu-Jitsu. Ang hirap pala ng Jiu-Jitsu na training. Nakita ko na kung paano siya gagawin, guys. Hala, nakakita na po kung inimi. Punta talaga kaming BJJ kasi last time, diba? Yesterday, during tropical storm, we went there. Kaso nga close sila, diba? So, bumalik kami dito. Then, balik kami today. This morning, 11 yung Jiu-Jitsu niya. So, nagpunta kami, I met the owner, I met the one who sent me the basket of flower during the wedding day. I spoke to him. Parang hindi siya like American, may pagka Brazilian. Brazilian. Hindi ko alam kasi yung yung ano niya ba, yung pronunciation niya, hindi siya yung Latin American. Iba siya. But yeah, he speak English. So, nag-usap konti. Yung pagka-introvert ko, guys, lumabas yung pagka-introvert ko kasi doon sa class nila, walang babae. So, ako lang yung babae nasa gilid. Nakaupo. Nag-aantay. So, parang naano ko ba nga, na-off ko sa place, like, guy. Lahat sila doon, mga boys, mga guys, na nag-train ng jiu-jitsu. So, wala. Buti na lang dala ko yung aking headphone. Nakapag-edit tayo ng video konti. And after 1 hour, we are home. Hindi ako nakapag-vlog doon. Nahihiya ako mag-video kasi hindi ko alam, baka ayaw nila, di ba? Like, pagdating namin sa car, after ng training, pagdating namin sa car, sabi ni Bill, sana nag-video ka? Wala ba eh. Ayoko. Baka mapagalitan ako doon. Hindi natin alam kasi yung ibang tao. May mga tao talaga ayaw ng video, di ba? So, who knows? Pero sabi niya, next time, pwede ako mag-video. So, see you next time. So, anyway, anong oras na? It's 1 p.m. and magluluto tayo ng lasagna with meat and sauce. So, meron siyang direction how to cook this one. I think i-bake lang siya, guys. Micro-bake, oven, microwave. Pwede microwave, pwede oven. Wow, bakit ang tagal sa oven, 65. Pero sa microwave, ano lang? 16 minutes. 9 minutes and then 60. Microwave na lang. Madali lang pala itong lutuin. Ito guys, oh. Nabili namin to sa HEB nung nakaraan. Nag-grocery kami ng maramihan. Sabi ko, try natin yan. Magkano bang bili namin ito? Nakalimutan ko na. Parang $12 ata yung box na to guys. Malaki naman siya. Tingnan natin yung loob ko. Yung mga ready to, alam nyo, like, kaya, guys, pag nasa US talaga, pag nasa US kayo, hindi mahirap magluto dito. Kasi pag nasa ano kayo, nasa tindahan, meron na silang mga ganito ba nga, ready to bake na lang. Kakainin mo na lang after 15 minutes, kakainin mo na lang after 20 minutes. Hindi ba pareha sa Philippines na pag sa Philippines, gutad pa more. Mag-chop at yung nagagamit talaga yung energy natin. Kaya sabi ko, nag-gain talaga ako ng weight dito guys. I'm telling you, when I was in the Philippines, I was only 48 kilos. Yun. Before I left the Philippines. Pero nang andito ako, 50 na. I'm so shocked. So sabi ko, guys, I've been telling myself, oh my gosh, I'm not gonna eat that. I'm not gonna eat that. But it tastes so good. Paano ba yan? Hindi ko talaga siya. Hindi ko matitiis yung food here. Kasi masasarap yung food. Anyway, ano ba yung instruction? Ganito siya, oh. Nakabalot na pala. Nalagay niyo sa plastic. Lulutuin mo na lang. Ano bang gagawin natin to? Instruction here. Leave. Film on tray. Do not vent. Cook on high for 9 minutes. 9 minutes? 9 minutes. Continue cooking on 50% power for 16 minutes. Ang tagal pala nito lutuin. Anyway, lutuin natin. Itry natin. Lasagna to guys. Kasi wala pa kaming lunch. Si Belle matutulog yun. Ininit ko pala yung coffee. Naiwan namin yung coffee kasi umalis kami kanina. Nagmamadali. May coffee pa akong naiwan. Inumin natin yan. Sabi niya 9 minutes, di ba? Pero 1,100 watts. 700 watts lang to. So, I'll make it like mga 15. Ay, hindi pwede. Ay, bakit? Ayun. 15 minutes. Masa si ate?
Ligo.
Okay, very good nga nangaligo. Di mo magpangit-ngit ba yung daddy? Ipa-open lagi ang light. Kaya madaot inyong eyes. O, diba? Daddy wants you to join Jiu-Jitsu.
Sana.
Training. Do you like to? Mag-training Jiu-Jitsu. Wala tong experience sa mga karate thing eh.
Sana.
Pero sabi nila mas mabuti yun kasi para they can defend themselves ba if kailangan. So yung sana, Jiu-Jitsu, parehas ni daddy ba? So after we eat, si Belle nag-relax muna kasi like I said earlier, it's not easy to do Jiu-Jitsu training. Gosh, nakita ko rin, I was like, wow, that was hard. Anyway, nag-relax muna siya guys. Kasi later on, what time? 1 p.m. Mga 1 hour. Alis na naman kami ulit because we need to go to Social Security office. That's because we need to have change name on my SS card. Social Security card number. Kailangan palitan namin yun ng my married name. Kasi yung nakaraan na kumuha kami, it was my maiden name pa. Like, hindi pa ako married. So, like, we need to do that. And then, maybe by tomorrow is Wednesday, July 10. We need to do walk-in for my photo. Ano bang tawag yung sinabi ng Bel sa akin? ID photo in Texas. Something like that. So, parang meron akong magamit na parang government ID here in Texas, guys. Kasi, if I shared about it before, hindi ko na ma-remember. Basta sinabi ko na kailangan ko siya. That's because kailangan niya akong i-add sa kanyang bank account. And without that, he cannot add me on his bank account. And we badly needed it because he wanted everything na settled about everything. Like sa mga bank, the utilities, everything, andun na ako. So, still we're doing the paperwork, we're still doing some work at home, like mga everything. O, diba, ganun kami ka-busy. I'm not showing everything, guys, like how we work on the cabinet, how we does this one, but little thing lang. Pero like, yeah, we are working on it. So like, if you're watching my previous video when I arrived here, and then on this video, there are so many changes that I haven't like made a video about it, like mga sa pintas, mga walls and everything. Meron na naman akong ano, guys, but this table, kasi meron na kami nakitang pa-square na table. Yun talaga yung gusto namin. Gusto namin na square. Yung table niya dito is circle yan, diba? And then brown. Nasasayangan talaga akong itapon siya. Ang tigas pa naman ng table na yan. Star, diba? Yan, oh. So, hindi ko yan ipapatapon sa kanya. I know that we are going to change our dining table here and chair. Pero hindi ko yan ipapatapon. Ipapalagay ko yan sa labas. Kasi we can build our deck outside and then we'll put the table. Kasi sayang talaga pag itatapon niya. Sobrang sturdy nito. Sobrang sturdy talaga ng table na to. Super, oh. Mabigat siya. Malapit pa lang ako. Kung nasa Pinas lang ako, pinadala ko na yun sa bahay. Sayang kasi. Mag-change ako ng clothes. Kasi hindi tayo pwede pupunta ng SS na ganito yung suot natin. Yes, I'm wearing this one, but I have, meron akong top na blazer kanina. Nung nagpunta kaming BJJ sa kanyang jujitsu. I'm not really sure if this is cooked already. Pero, sige. Try natin. So, very yummy. Look, it's very cheesy. Cheesy. Meaty and cheesy. Ha? Mukha ang gani, oh. Lasagna, come here. This will be our lunch.
Sama.
Lasagna na. Kuha ni daddy sa bag ni daddy. Down. Naluto na siya. Ay, kuha siya naluto. Ay, mga tagak pirong kigat. Tinidora talaga tikot siya. Cheesy lasagna. Ah, cheesy good. Nasa ilalim ang cheese. Kuha sa lang tinidora yung palihog. Here. Lami man siya. Lami siya. Actually, lami siya. Hala, naluto. Baka nino. Murag naluto. Muragwa. I'm not sure. Sa tunga. Pwede na. I-oven ako ng utro. Wait lang, te. Kaya akong tilawan. Kay basig. Gosh, aga akong nakaon kay luto. Nasa side mangguto. Niya kani sa tunga mangguni. I'm not sure. Let's see, Dabi. Ano malak? Uy!
Bakit? Kira.
Bugno pa. Tilawi daw. Nao, ang cheese pa nag-melt. Ibalik na, be. Ato na lang na i-mix. Tapos ibutang na ko microwave o trope, be. Eh. Hindi ka busa. guys. Sorry guys. Failure.